to the explanation. We had our sides on the building, and if we take that away, we still get the same figures for B and C. They don't change. Even if we add the 90s on, they don't change. So what the rule is that the length of the brickwork for an internal corner is the length of the footing. Because what is happening here is that we have just, there's the length of our brickwork, and here is the length of our footing. It stays the same. So the rule is, for internal corners, the length of the brickwork equals the length of the footing. So we're going to do an example here for you, and it says it wants you to calculate the dimensions of the strip footing and calculate the volume of concrete to order for the above strip footings if you allow 7% waste. Now remember, this is our brick wall plan. We have to make a footing plan, and we have to find out X. So we look here, and it's 380 is the width of the footing minus 230, and we're going to divide it by 2. So I'm going over the page to the next page. So 380 minus 230 is going to give you 150, divided by 2 is 75. So we're going to add 75 and 75 onto our figures. So our new footing plan, this is a footing plan. Our new footing plan is 5.78 for A. B is not going to change. It's going to stay at 2.2. C, so I better label these, A, B, C, D, E and F. C is not going to change. It stays the same. So down here we can see we haven't added anything on. And then D is going to change. And from 5.15 we added 150 and it becomes 5.3. E originally was, we've added on 150, and F we've added on 150. So these are our new figures here for the length of the footing, and then we can do what we've always done. We minus the width of the footing of 380. So here again, this is minus 0 here and minus 0 because it's an internal corner. So we get our length, that's our length of the footing. So volume is length times width times depth. We're using the length of the footing times the width of the footing. Now we're doing concrete, so it's 360, so 0.36. We get our figure of 5.305 metres cubed. We're going to allow 7% waste, so we're timesing that by 1.07. And then we're going to get 5.676. Now that's my volume, but that's not my order. I've got to round up in increments of 0.2. So it's going to be 5.8 metres cubed. Thank you.